Hello and what's up guys, and welcome to this new stream. Always. I need music. Music. That should do it. Always. What's up? I'm gonna make the announcement in just about now. Yeah. What? Pablo was even on my stream before I made the announcement. What? Oh, Pablo. Welcome to the stream. Yeah, we're gonna make the stat system. And hello, Leo. So welcome to the stream. So yeah, we're gonna make the stat system today. I made some progress off camera. I don't know how much though, but oh no. Look. Hi guys, Fortnite. Yes, Fortnite. See ya later. Bye bye, Lordian. Nope, I am first. Actually, you're not. Pablo is first, you see, live chat. Pablo is actually first. I'm sorry, bro. You're not the first one. Dingle, can we see? Probably, but if I notice that, well, it's distracting me, then I will, yeah, mute myself. Hello, Blazed.
Yo, W Nimsel.
Yeah.
Got your name wrong whenever I sent that message, I realized.
Oh yeah, Dinzel, yeah. And hello, Black Virus. So yeah, today we're gonna be making the stat system, so there are gonna be multiple stats, right? And the player can level them with like mining, combat, or whatever, right? So, I actually already kinda made the defense system. And I made the weapons ability, but let me show you guys what we made in the stream yesterday. When I hit an enemy, that was, well, I guess I would show it with this weapon.
Hi chat.
Hello. Right. So, guys can see after I hit it, it takes damage, right? And then it has like this effect that it like, you know, burns out or like applies the true damage, just like the old Rift Maker, kind of. But my point is, look, I'm dealing 8 damage, even though this weapon should deal 10 damage. And this is because the Iron Golem has armor. Yes guys, every mob has armor now, I guess. The default is 20, right? But as we create new mobs, we will give mobs their own armor stats and stuff. The player doesn't have any armor at all right now. Those are the two icons on next to the mana, right? I'm fine with the magic resistance icon, but I'm not quite fine about the. I'm not so sure about the resistance icon, so I'll have to change that. So yeah, we have this system where we can, I guess, attack with enemies with resistance now. And the effect, okay? I have a folder here called Weapons, Rift Maker, and I actually have like some kind of hook system. So I have a function here called use DOT. It will check if the target is alive, and if so, it will play the sound and apply the damage. And those are the intervals. This is the tick delay. And then we have like an ID, because the problem is the effect would reapply itself multiple times if you hit on the same enemy, right? And that's what the ID is for. So you can hit the enemy with refreshing the effect, but not, you know, the effect doesn't stack. You know, the effect can only be applied once per player. When you hit it again, it will refresh. So 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, so no matter what I do, the last hit will always have 5 ticks. That's the point of this use DOT hook. This is the code for it, if you guys are wondering. So yeah. It's just like one hook. We're gonna make multiple, of course. There's gonna be more than just DOT, but this is an example, right, of how to use like this use DOT hook. But the Riftmaker's ability is supposed to do that, so yeah, I will just leave it there, I guess. But about the damage, right? The apply damage function now takes in a damage the damage options instead of just a number, so you can specify if the damage is like magic damage, true damage, or just regular damage. And what we have to do now is we have to use the weapon damage from here and add this to the player damage. So yeah, that's what I'm currently on, and this is what this function is for. If like a stats function or like a stats class, it should be like a export. Should be like a vector class, just like with stats objects, right? So yeah, so first of all, we have this static method called add, which will basically just add 2 damage objects together. Like imagine you have a damage object with like 10 true damage and another one with 10 true damage. You will get 1 damage object with 22 damage. Makes sense, right? This would be this will be very useful. I think so. Yeah. So key value. Exactly, and so the key will always be okay. So we wanna add. You wanna always add to the first one, because imagine this one has a damage type that the second one doesn't. So we loop. So we use the entries from the first one to loop over the key. Okay, then we're just gonna create a new object, I guess.
Wouldn't it be better just to do entries.reduce instead of .for each?
I have no idea what reduce does.
Since in a live showing, I could help. But like,
Live share. Bad. There you go.
reduce is a very nice method on arrays. Very, very nice.
Okay. Then show me how you would do it.
I don't know the exact name you're going for.
Okay, so well, I can show you what it's supposed to do, right? So damage 10, magic 5, right? And then you have another one, like here, damage 5, right? And that should just add those two together and then return it. So what exactly does reduce do?
Like, it has 2 parameters that call back in a starting object. So in this case, we're just with a normal object. The first argument in the callback is what is here, so the object, and the second one is the next value in the array.
I see.
Then if you return, like, let's say object at keys equals value, return the object, then the next iteration of the callback will use this new object, this.
Oh, I see.
You know what I mean?
So we modify this object and return it, and then we can reuse that object, and then I don't know.
Yeah, just return that. Because reduce returns whatever this would finally end up being.
Okay. So you don't need to create like a temporary object or something.
Yeah, no.
Yeah, okay. So now what we want to do is we want to add the key and the values from here. So this is like an example, and it should return just an array with an object that has like this. Okay, so key value plus it's just plus damage 2 damage 2 key. Yeah, that's it. I think so.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Let's test it. Okay. So I'm gonna go into my weapon here. So there's the true damage. I'm gonna do stats.add true damage 5 and I don't know, again true damage 5. Oh, true damage 5, and it should theoretically return true damage 10. And I have true damage 10.
It should.
It does. Okay, so it works. This works.
Oh, you.
Right, how does it look like when I do another property that doesn't exist on the second one? Like damage 10 and 2 damage 5. So it should deal... Wow, and the, the golem didn't
And
live.
2 damage and 10 normal damage.
It's Nan.
It's Nan.
It's Nan.
Right.
So, if you add a property that exists on the first one, but doesn't exist on the second one, it just gets...
Ouch. Like 0.
Okay. Oh yeah, that makes sense actually. Because if the
Nan plus a number is still gonna be Nan.
or undefined plus a value is Nan, yeah, makes sense. Did I reload? No, I did. Still Nan. Yeah,
Still
maybe,
Nan.
maybe.
Seeing everything
No,
slow motion,
maybe like
so.
this. So, because it's okay. Let's see. Yeah, it works.
Oh.
That really was it. Okay, it works. Nice. So yeah, okay, that works, and it's good. I think. Yeah.
I mean, do now like add subtract.
I don't think that we need subtract, but we let me think of what we need. We need a function to get stats from the player, but we don't have player stats yet, so it well, I'll try to add player stats, I guess.
There's a W weapon system.
Hmm?
There's a W weapon system.
Thanks, I guess.
Data equals function dot default weapon list. That's a data. But yeah, I seriously don't like this whole after events and before events thing.
Yeah. Right. So do you already wanna? Nah. First, I'm gonna make the. Okay, we already have the defense step, but we don't want to have. We don't need the defense. So we need like some kind of strength or like a damage stat. So I'm just gonna. I don't know. Damage. And literally just the prototypes.
Absolutely nothing on world prototypes. That's crazy.
Yeah, I know. I thought of making like some kind of dynamic property proxy so it would cache the dynamic properties, but I was kind of too lazy.
That makes sense.
Did I call it damage? Yes, I did call it damage. Okay, and then I had defaults. Damage. What is the default damage? 1.
What is this calculate damage function? Oh my god.
Oh yeah, so this like takes in all the resistances and stuff. Like, yeah, this takes in count all the resistances and stuff. So this is like this is like the damage reduction, right? And this is just subtracting the damage reduction from the actual damage.
These two look exactly the same.
Yeah, because they are, but because they use the same damage equation, right? but I even mind that I wanna create another damage calculation for like magic resistance. I don't want the magic resistance and the normal resistance to be the exact same. That's why I made like that.
That makes sense.
Also, they spawn different indicator, but that could be used with tyranny. So yeah. What did I just... Ah, yeah, the damage. Exactly, and then I need a function that like gets damage from a player. Like all the stats from a player. Oh, actually, I know what I know what a second function should do. The second function should do. So basically multiply. Multiply will be huge. I can literally just copy that. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, we can do that. Because you see...
Alright, done.
Yeah.
Oh, or 1.
Let me think about that. Yeah, actually, yeah. So, some abilities will have, scaling, you know? Like, some abilities will only, use 50% of your total damage, while others may use 100. That's why I need multiply, I guess. And then, I guess I need a function to get the data from a player. Like...
Look where I pinged you in Discord.
What?
Look where I pinged you in Discord.
Ooh, a texture? Hold up.
W Pablo.
Yes, comment Pablo W. Wait. Items? Comment Pablo W.
Can't believe you actually added Can't believe you now use Regolith. Crazy.
Well, yeah. Ooh, it looks fancy. Yeah, I mean, it is better if you like use GitHub or stuff like that. It is just better. Not website. Packs. Business pack, texture, items. Weapons. Rift maker. Item texture.json. I really don't like. Why is item texture.json a thing?
I don't know.
Rift maker. Melker.
Should be like underscore weapon.
You think? Okay.
Uh,
Texture. And just textures. Items. Weapon. Weapon or weapons? Weapons.
Weapons.
Rift maker. Like that.
Texture sword.
Oh yeah. Now let's see.
Texture sword. That's
Yeah.
funny.
Why? That's a texture for the wooden sword because they use an index for like a frame ID.
I just find it funny. Yo.
It looks sick.
Go on to F5.
Haha. My skin though, yeah, it's like this auto-applied skin from Mojang. I don't know why.
I like the blinking eyes. It reminds me of new Roblox skins.
But the sword looks sick though. Damn.
I never play on previews.
But you kinda have to because the scripting API is getting changed a lot.
A lot, yeah.
No, but like seriously. Like, I don't want to recode all of this. Well, not all of it, but like, you get my point.
Make an API.
Why?
So you don't have to recode it all. You just redo the API and it'll work. Everything.
I like your skin. Yeah, well, it's literally a default skin. I want to do the get damage thing, but before that I want to do a different thing, but I forgot what. Oh yeah, we might as well have to add the weapon lore, the rarity, and yeah, shit to it. We just set the name, like whatever this is. The lore, test lore, type weapon. Oh no, rarity. Rarity.
You should make a lore callback, honestly.
Why exactly? It's just a string,
add
no?
custom stuff into the lore.
Ah, I see. Like for enchantments and stuff.
Yeah.
So my idea would be that since lore is an array, right? Like the very first entry would just be the plain text. Everything after that would just be enchantments or stuff.
I don't know. I'll probably do enchantments as one single lore thing. And just use \n.
Yeah, I would do that also too, but like the first element of the array would be just the plain text, like the description of what the weapon is doing, right? And the second one would be the enchantment. The third one would be like reforges.
Wait, can you go into Minecraft real quick?
Yeah.
Seriously.
What do you want to see?
Your preview is outdated.
Yeah.
That's why I can't join you.
Oh.
I'm gonna cry.
Alright. Right, rarity, I'm gonna make a rarity type, I guess. Type weapon rarity. Rarity. Oh no, what kind of weapon, what kind of rarities are there? Common. Uncommon.
We're going Fortnite.
What? Fortnite.
We got Fortnite rarities.
Fortnite. Let's go. Oh. Alright. Good. Type weapon rarity, and then the rarity is just a... Oh yeah. You're already ahead of me.
I'm just as fast as...
And this should be an epic weapon. So, should we make the name automatically be color-coded depending on the rarity, or should we...
That's probably a good idea.
Alright, so we
Yeah,
don't
let's
need
go
this,
to,
and then... We probably want to make an enum, right? Or an
That's what I was
interface, or...
thinking.
Oh,
Hello?
you should do
Oh,
a glyph
A
for the
glyph
rarity.
for the
The
rarity.
weapon.
Yeah, but I
Oh,
still
glyph.
need it to be color-coded, right? I mean, I will
Not
use glyphs.
particularly.
Don't worry, Angel. Look where I'm pinging you. We got freaking glyphs.
Yeah,
Sorry.
the ones above, those are
WCSH.
the ones above. I do not have permission to use them, but like the one at the bottom, this is like from him. Unicode, whatever the hell. Yeah. So yeah, I kind of wanted to make a glyph, but how would I do so? Like, how would the design be?
Mm. Well, actually, no. The more I think about it, I don't know if glyphs are a good idea.
No, look, look. I'm gonna draw
Yeah,
it out in
definitely-
paint because I'm really good pro.
No paint.
Yeah. All right. So, imagine
I'm
you
just gonna
have
put colors in here.
imagine you have weapon lore, right? And you would have like text, right? And then a glyph would be here, like some kind of glyph, and then the actual rarity, right? But the item name and shit would just be the same, like Rift Maker, active, rejects, enters, evasion, some kind of that, right? So the glyph should be under the rarity, or before the rarity. Sorry. So we still need a list for color codes and a list for
You don't know the color codes by heart?
what?
You don't know the color codes by heart? That's sad.
Oh no. Color codes and
Uh,
icon codes.
well, actually, there's a few color codes I don't remember by heart, which would be like uncommon and rare, but I do know the epic should be 5.
Yeah.
Legendary should be 6.
There are new color codes. Maybe we should. I don't know.
Mythic should be Z.
Use the new purple one for Epic.
The new one is.
The what?
Which one? Which one is
There's
the new
new
purple?
color codes?
Yeah.
New Minecraft color codes.
Which one is
Oh.
the new one?
I don't know.
Are
You?
there new color codes?
You. Yeah. You.
I think
You.
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 It's a little bit more desaturated.
That should be better for Mythic, yeah.
Oh, I made it to epic. Wait, just. Which one did we use for mythic? Yeah, D. So those are like the 3 purple ones. Like the pink ones. I like the bright color on the mythic. I think it can stand. I think the epic one looks also fine. Yeah, I think that's good.
Hit your Minecraft.
What's with my Minecraft?
It's outdated. I can't join.
My Minecraft?
Yes.
Did they release another update? Dude, Conrad told
You're
me
on
like.
20.0.24. I'm on 0.25.
Dude, Conmaster told me like 1 day ago to update it. And I did.
We'll update it again.
Alright. I'm gonna update it again.
W.
The stream might lag a bit, but
That's fine.
it's fine. Already-
Also, why is the preview music different than the normal Minecraft music? That's weird.
Is it? It's not, it's just...
After having been AFK on normal Minecraft for hours at a time, I can tell the difference.
Alright.
There's more notes in the preview one. Well, I'm not a music person. I've never done music in my life. That's like the best I can think of.
Alright. Right, so how should we handle the... Yeah?
I think.
Do we just want to make like a... I don't know, some kind of crawler that checks every item? Like
Wait a
we
minute.
kinda have to use...
You're not on Build Realm? I'm surprised.
A what?
Build Realm is a,
What?
it's a Discord server, sorry.
Ah. Is there any... Is there a better way than getting all players looping through their inventory and checking if the items have lore or not to set the lore? Or do I really have to loop through every player's inventory?
Oh no, what is Roblox developers doing? They're doing a last to leave VC for Disco Nitro, and there's already almost 100 people in VC.
Yep, sounds like average Roblox players united. Constant ladder get component. Is there a better way than looping through every player's inventory?
And doing what?
Like, I wanna set the lore for the item. I mean, it would be more performant if the lore would be set while the player is holding the item, but what if you hover over the item while it's in your inventory, you know? Oh my
Just
god,
wait.
I could...
Can't item stuff only change if you have it in your hand, like doing something with the item? It's not just gonna change by it being in the inventory.
Wait, I have a really good idea to make this very performant, right? So in the player.json,
no.
right? You have this environmental sensor. There, environmental sensors that tests if a player is in a UI. So we will only check if the item doesn't have lore if the player is in a UI. So we don't have to loop through the player's inventory. Oh man, is that smart or is that smart?
I don't know. I'm currently copying stuff from GitHub.
What?
Perfect.
What did you copy?
Stuff.
Triggers. Wait, does it have to be an array? I don't know how environmental sensors work. Does it have to be an object or not? This has to be an object, obviously. Maybe the triggers have to be. And dude, what of them can be a... Hold up, let me delete the filter. I hate JSON. Yeah, no, it
Alright,
can
W.
be. Alright. There we go. Triggers.
I got. What are you doing?
And then filter.
Environment.
A new all of test.
Oh god, what is the goofy doing?
Test is in UI. In... Come on. It's not called is in UI. UI.
Are you testing if they go into their inventory
Yeah.
to then update stuff?
Yeah. Well, what was the environmental sensor for that called? Or is it a query?
Google. How to test if player
You
in
won't.
inventory
Yeah, it's a
while
query.
Minecraft edit.
It's a query. Can you test with
No,
environmental
shit.
sensors for Molang?
Ink. UI.
We'll see. Alright, and then the event. Skyle in...
Isn't query.isn't UI.
Yeah, I found it. But I'm not really sure if they work for environmental sensors. Which is why I have to try it. If queries in general work for environmental sensors.
Probably not. Well, I guess we...
I'm just gonna run a command. Oh, I don't fucking know how to run a command off of this because fucking modding is... Or not, Blockception. I blame it on Blockception. Because they, yeah. Because they're marketplace developers, and every marketplace developers don't care about experimental features. Just run command. Okay, good. Run command, say in UI. So let's see if we can test if the player's in UI. Also, is my game updated? It is. While I join the game, I'll get myself something to drink. Yeah, something's very wrong with this. I'm not in the UI and it's saying that I'm in UI. Okay. Filter is not found. Okay. That is in UI. Ah, that's why. So we have to do it with animation controllers? Is that right? With behavior pack animation controllers? Oh god, I love behavior pack animation controllers. Dude, why does this shit even exist, man? See,
Filter dot has container open.
What? That's a thing? Wait, but is the inventory... Okay, okay. Hurry. Has... Yeah, it's actually a thing. Expected type boolean, yeah. It has to be a boolean.
I guess it doesn't even matter. You just
No.
put test here.
No, you have to...
You don't need value, it's optional.
Self
Nor subject.
value. Yeah, but I have to also reverse it. Like, I can run a command, but I wanna like forward this to the script, so I'm gonna use tags for that. So I have to...
Just use /script event.
Because it's not like I can't read on demand. I wanna read on demand whenever I am in UI. With script event,
Right,
with the script event you would have to update a local state, you know. Like getting a tag, you can
It's
get
better to update a boolean variable than it is to check if they have the tag.
You sure? No, but
I'm
even
pretty
if
sure, yes.
even if you would still have to do 2 script events.
Yeah, and then here you would also have to do 2 tags. One to add, one to remove.
Exactly.
Exactly, so what's wrong with script event?
Well, it's just way more code. You can just, I don't know, create an entity prototype and then return if
Not
the
limited,
player has
it's like
tag.
5 lines.
Well, you have to do 2 events, 2 scripting events. You have to listen for 2 scripting events, right?
Yeah, and you have to run 2 commands either way.
Yeah. Like, I think that tags are better in this case, actually.
Why don't you do what you want?
It's like like all that stuff that the Minecraft like internal API has to do to forward like the command towards the scripting API. I think it's just way less performant than a tag.
Yo, W in UI?
What? Tag it
Where are you
as.
at?
Oh, remove.
Wasn't you around here? If I remember your stream correctly? Yep, here you go.
Oh, hi. You really remembered my location?
I have a near photographic memory. What do you want from me?
We got rarity glyphs from Pablo. From the Giga Chat Pablo.
Yo, really?
Yeah.
Yo, W Pablo.
Let me look at them.
You should enable pings on that SKYLANDIA thing.
Why? I don't know.
The amazing.
Yeah. Oh, look at them. That's so cool. Yeah, I'm gonna add them right away.
Anyways, while you do that, I want to make
you know,
something that can make me fly.
wow.
I don't know. I'm being
Like,
stupid.
can you, if you want something to do, you can well add the prototype for the is in UI thing.
The is in UI thing, sure. Not in UI.
Yeah, I'm very creative with names. I know.
Entity prototypes. D.ts. It's under Skyle, I'm guessing. We's gonna go to
Font.
read only. in UI boolean. Find types.
Ah, shit.
Object of define.
16 by 16. 16 by 16.
Get in UI. Return player dot hashtag.
We just have to
What's the
fill
tag?
this with
Just UI.
2. And then,
Alright, W.
nice. Right, and now, yeah, we have to add all those symbols. Rarities. Are you beating me up?
I wish.
Oh yeah.
Isn't there something that lets you fly in
Oh, no.
like normal hypixel skyblock? I don't fucking know, I'm not that smart.
Yes, but it doesn't work on other islands, it just works on your home island.
No, I mean not like actual flight, like you know, a build like a leap ability, you know what I mean?
Oh, a leap ability. Yeah, there's a leaping
Yeah.
sword, if you wanna make that.
There's a leaping sword.
Yeah.
Alright, let's get to work.
I didn't really use any
Items.
unuse. Actually, you should be able to use the unuse thing.
Leaping sword. Texture sword. Oh, what the what the?
What?
Oh my god. It actually shows color.
What shows color?
That looks weird.
Huh? What do you mean? I'm confused.
It's because of an extension I have. It shows like whenever you input
Oh.
hexadecimal colors, I can see like what color they are.
But that's not the
They're going
color!
from black to red.
But that's not the color! That's a private use Unicode character.
I know, but it's the exact amount of characters, 4 characters for a normal color.
Oh.
That's why, you know.
Makes sense. Mythic. Alright. Got the symbols.
That's more efficient.
What did you do? Ah. You didn't use the deconstructing operator, I guess.
It was a little bit more efficient. So how do you handle? Okay. Weapons, rift maker, leaping sword. New file, leaping sword. Yes.
Yeah.
Alright, time to figure out how to export default function. Leaping word ID.
Yeah, you should figure it out. Alright, and now... Wait, I wanna test the is in UI hook. Or the... if it works or not.
Oh my god.
What?
My IntelliSense goes to e.prevent default. That's hilarious. Bro. W web development. So how do I e.player apply in yeah, you can't really apply impulse on player.
You can apply knockback.
But I can. We got that one apply thing method here.
Apply DOT or what?
I need to go to that pack that I have that had it. I think it's this one.
What do you need to copy from that? The apply impulse doesn't work, but the apply knockback works on players.
I know what works in.
Alright.
But I do have a function which is literally just, you know, better.
Native type conversion failed, handler 54.
Where are my goofy thing at? Oh yeah, that's
Oh.
entity. I need to go
Dude,
to,
I hate this. Well,
layer.
why isn't Origin converting this into strings?
Hello.
Oh, it's still. I can't read property default of undefined. Oh yeah, yeah. Save it once. It's false, but it's still saying in UI. Wait, why is it saying that you're... Oh, because I need to rejoin. Yeah, I need to rejoin. For the thingies to reload.
Wait, don't rejoin yet.
Ah, I see. You have like a function to...
Vector equals e dot player dot get.
Hey, so how it's going? It's going good, I think.
Bro, every single time I go onto this server, it starts lagging my computer.
Really?
Yeah, because there's hundreds of PC.
Well, but it's not saying that I'm in UI, even though I am in UI.
Well, let's try the query and animation control.
Wait, chest? Maybe we messed up somewhere.
Does my leaping sword work?
Oh, it detects chests, but not if you're in your inventory. But why?
That do I like to call W chest UI making.
Yeah, see, it detects if you're in a chest container.
Yeah, that's
But-
what I use for my chest UI if I remember correctly.
Yeah, but if you're... Maybe you have to be in survival? No, it just doesn't detect if you're in the inventory or not.
Unknown command reload. Give me op.
I'll give you up. There you go. Wait, did the leaping sword apply?
I don't know.
Oh yeah, so there is a leaping sword, that's for sure.
There is a leaping sword, but code no work.
Did you made it on hit or what?
I made it on use.
Alright.
And it don't work. That's a W.
Maybe I messed somewhere up. Maybe I didn't. On use. Console.warn. Let's see if it gets to this point. Load.
Nope.
Nope. Okay, so
Nope.
I messed something up in
Maybe
the...
it's not importing.
It is importing.
It is importing.
It is importing.
How you know it's importing?
Yeah, assume as long as you want. Open end, I'd say. As long as I want. Before item use is instead of player, you get the main
Weapon
hand.
list dot get. Oh, it's because main hand dot type ID.
Oh yeah! You're right.
That's right.
Not a function, 47. Handlers 47.
47.
On hit.
The on.
Yeah, this has to be on use, yeah. Me stupid.
They're goofy.
Yeah, didn't run. Native type conversion failed for... Wait, it doesn't have required privileges. So let's wrap this all around in the system.run. .run. What?
What does it mean there's not?
Required privileges just means that it doesn't run in a Minecraft tick. So I have to make it run inside a Minecraft tick. So in the system.run. Now it should work.
But then wouldn't you
Yep,
lose
work.
and not cancel?
Do I? I don't try to...
Well, yeah. After a while, you like lose the ability to access them because it like deallocates memory. Anyway, this is a terrible leap.
Yeah, and it has to have a cooldown. I'm probably gonna make like some kind of cooldown system, so yeah.
Vector multiply. Wait, can't we use that stat? Don't multiply things.
You can.
Wait, that would work. Wait a minute. Stats.multiply.
No, don't use that. Don't use. Don't use that.
Alrighty, let's test it.
It's not supposed to work for that.
It works!
Nah. But
That is a
why?
W if I've ever seen one.
But why? Okay, I think more horizontal strength, or like more strength for up, right? And
Oh no.
has to leap upwards. I mean, you could just look upwards, but
Yo. W leaping sword.
yeah. Yeah, so that is in your eye hook, completely useless. Or not hook, but yeah.
Why can I not see that? Do I not have my content? Nope, I do. I guess it's just one of the unravel world. No, no.
Get all players is like at A, right? So we don't have to use get players because we only want to get alive players. Comes in.
But if you do is in UI, it also checks if like
You're in inventory.
like chat in another
Oh.
like, you know.
So is in UI also works, but does it work for the inventory? That's
It works for
important.
inventory. I know is in UI works.
Okay,
for inventory.
so let's do that. In a second after I.
Is in UI does work for inventory.
See inventory component. I mean, let's just try it. Behavior pack, animation, controllers,
How to animation controller.
player.animation. I kinda know how they work.
I know how animation controller work. I was just looking at freaking docs and I was like, where find animation controller?
Yeah. But I don't know how to run commands of them.
Oh, you don't? Basically what you do is you put like on steer. I don't know exactly, I kind of forgot, but it's definitely like very similar to
Right, so it
like in your state, like next to transition you put like on, yeah, entry, and then you run like your
Oh, I
command,
see.
so slash data mode C
Okay. Got it.
W. I believe it does require slash.
Query is chested. What the hell? Why is this the default one?
It is chested.
It's just. Do you also use
It
blockception?
is chested. What?
Do you also use blockception?
No, I don't. I don't know why I'm seeing it though. I have no idea why I'm seeing
Bruh.
it. I don't use block option. It's completely disabled for me.
On entry. Like it. Why does it say
You have to
that?
add slash.
Oh. Tag it as add UI. Yeah, UI. Then, oh no. We have to remove the. You don't really need an on exit, you can just put it in this state, no?
Yeah, well, by that logic, you're not supposed to put the on exit in here. To
Yeah.
add UI.
Doesn't really matter.
Doesn't matter.
Alright, now we need to hook the animation controller up. I think it was in the description, animations. Oh hell nah. Scripts, animate.
Animation and animation controller files.
Yeah, wait, UI, and this is the controller dot. How did I call it? Control dot animation dot UI. Then scripts animate UI. There we go. Now I have to remove the thing in here.
Intro. So you add the animations and you also add the scripts. Wait a minute.
I can explain to you how that works. Look, so the animation is like the
Don't
reference.
need to.
The animation is the...
I know.
Okay.
Oh. Don't worry, we're all good.
I didn't save the
We
clip.
just left it going.
Alright, I'll
How
read
you
you.
no name?
Oh wait, then now I
I've
need to...
detected a lost connection.
Yeah, because I had to leave.
Hey, so how's it going? 3-hour stream, or do you stream as long as you want?
I stream as long as I want, and I already answered that question.
Ah. Oh yeah, you can also remove that type down there.
Why? Did you update like the...
Because I'm just a W.
Did you update
That's
my
why.
types? Oh yes you
at it, look at
did!
it.
W. How? How did you update the types? Let me take a look at them.
Oh, just don't mind them. Don't mind. Don't mind the big type.
Is it at the bottom? No, where did you put it?
Entity prototypes.ts.
Oh. Oh!
Yup.
Yeah. Okay, I mean, I accept that.
W me.
I accept that as long as as long as I get good
I also have item components and block components if you need them.
it is really better.
Oh, look at the import type.
It just says false. It just says false every time, even if I'm in UI. So yeah, we made something wrong with our animation control.
In UI. Did I do something stupid?
Let's just for safety, let's just add a on entry tag it as.
Yo, Star got this work. Oh wait, no, you don't care.
What? What?
Sorry, I don't do only Minecraft development. I also do some Roblox development. Star is someone in Roblox.
Oh, slash. Art. Maybe now it works? False.
Oh, that's why I'm currently Minecraft developing as I get on Roblox, so.
No, but why does it say false?
Leaping sword? Okay, Pablo came back with another W texture.
Wait. Ooh, it's like a feather type of sword. Oh! Yeah. Gonna do it in a second after I figure out why the fuck this doesn't work. Wait, does the animation control have to be in this format version? Okay, transitions. UI. We transition to UI if curl is in UI. Is equal to 1. I know that shouldn't... Not equal to 1. I know that shouldn't make a difference, because it's like based on the ES5 syntax, but... I know. False. It literally says false. Why does it say false?
I did pay him.
How did you know? Why
I
this
have
shit
no
ain't
idea.
working? Wait.
Maybe block exception's outdated. Maybe you don't have to add slash. Maybe
Slash.
start query wrong. Who knows? It could be anything.
Say in UI. This one is also in UI. So let's see if we are in UI. If like the word thing works, at least. Maybe I just didn't hook up the controller, you know? Correctly. I mean, there's definitely something wrong because it doesn't execute anything, I think. Did I implement the animation controller wrong? There's faults, even though I'm in. Oh, it did say in UI once. But it said it once. And then never again. Bro, what's going on?
Hmm?
What's going on? Yeah, it said is in UI once and then never again. Hmm. So wait, what does this tell me?
Maybe try and mess around with the whole on-in try and exit thing, like change.
Yeah,
Like,
exactly. Does it have to be a decimal? I don't really think that it has to be a decimal, but on entry. Add UI / say test. Hmm. No, it should say nothing. Or like the false, it should spam false. So I open the inventory. And then does nothing. Something's wrong with the transition.
Hello, guys.
Hello. What is wrong with that? It should work. I don't see a reason why it shouldn't work. Something's with the query. Do I have to like specify a target? Now it should say true all over again. It said test twice. Then never again. Oh no, once. How? How? How can it only say it once though? I have default state. Transitions to here. Transitions back to default. In UI. Maybe name conflict or something. And then entities, player JSON. Scripts animate UI. Yeah, what's wrong with that? Do you need a condition? To view. One. So it will always animate this. Should animate it every second. Maybe only if you're in the world menu when you have the options. I am in the world menu. Oh no.
Oh,
What do
sure.
you mean with that? Doesn't detect anything. It's still false. I think it has to do something with the target, but is there like a transition to in UI if oh, what is happening though?
Yeah, what is happening? Holy.
Alright, I'm confused. Wait, let's take a look at another query. Query dot is in water. Then query is not in water. As long as we're in water, it should say test. As long as we're in... It said it once, it said it twice. Yeah, it just tests every time I go into the water. When you go out of the water, on entry, first say out. So it's out, in, out, in, out, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, out, in, out. Okay, now tell me. Is in UI, is in UI. I don't know why it doesn't show. Good, it is in UI. Maybe it has problems to like add the tag to the player. Maybe it has problems with the state that it if the one is not equal to 1, then it will... Ah no. So then we're gonna do smaller than 1, and if that doesn't work, then no, then I give up. Out, out. Listen to shit, man. Okay, if 1 is bigger than... It's bigger or equal than 1. I don't know, I'm out of ideas, guys.
What are you trying to do?
Testing if the player is in the UI to make my script to 1% more efficient. But animation controller sucks.
So leak terminology, it's like finding the perfect build for set again.
I guess. Maybe it only works in like villager trade UIs. You aren't... Oh. How convenient. Right. But why? It works with any other state, just not with query is in UI. I have an idea. No, I don't have an idea. Like it says out one of the time because it's... Oh, it never reaches this in your eye point. If the entity is rendered as part of the UI. What does that mean? Please don't tell me it's... How's it called? The paper doll. It's part of the UI. This is weird. Container? No. Okay. Sadly this doesn't work then. I have another idea. If it's not 0. Not equal to 0. If that doesn't work, then there is no hope.
If F15.
Yep. Top needs to be not equal. Bottom one is. Okay. That actually works. Because it... okay, but I guess I have to restructure my thing a bit, but no, it still runs at one time. Only one time. Yeah. So wait, now it goes into this one. Like, now it only runs this one, so wait. That's odd, it doesn't even run the on entry, even though this is the default state. For in a UI it should do that, right? But we are in a UI and doesn't do anything. Like, I know that the environmental sensor works for some containers, but yeah, only for some, and I don't think we can detect me being in the inventory with that. We tested it out earlier. So, raising UI. At some point you will also get this hook. I don't know, I mean, it's not really needed, it's just for performance, right? But... I don't know, it really doesn't have to be that complicated. I have to test if it's equal to 1. Is that what it wants to do? Is that what it wants me to do? Would be odd. Again, test. Oh, I see. Yeah, no. Ah, no, it's weird. I think it's because this isn't exactly doing what I wanted to do. Like, what does if the entity is rendered as part of the UI even mean? Like, the paper doll, like, if you're rendered as this, Or maybe it's like for donkeys, you know, if you have like a donkey and the donkey is present in the UI, like a saddled donkey. Maybe it's like a query for that. Like if you have, I don't know, I need to tame it. Am I really gonna tame a donkey just to show what I mean? Maybe. Maybe I will. There you go. If you have like a chest. Let me see the animation control again. Alright. There. Yeah, this is what I mean. Like maybe it's checking for this thing. You know, if the entity is. So script warnings are kind of annoying. Oh, it wandered off. I'm gonna disable them for in a second. Ah no, they were in handlers. Yeah. Oh, I can just. There you go. Slash reload. No scripting warnings should be there anymore. Okay, there. I'm calling this with just one, so every time. I mean, I did try to call it using just UI, but there's a top of entry. The top of entry. This entry should I delete or what? I mean this. I don't really know what you mean by that. Can you explain it? Let's test ones. What the hell am I? Why does it even say tag UI? That's not even true anymore. Form inversion? Nah. I mean the controller runs, it's just default transitions. In UI, and we are not in a UI. Okay, when we join, we are not in a UI, and it runs test because we are not in a UI. Then, if we are in a UI, then it should transition back. No? Just trial and erroring. You can put both transition into one and as one as the other is. Into one and class 1 as and the other one. So both the transitions should be the same? Like, can you even have multiple? Oh yeah, you can. Like that. And just not in UI. It's the other way around, but doesn't really matter for now. You have one for not in UI, then you one have for in UI, and then just another state called in UI, and then we don't need animations, but thanks. Oh, one too much. And then we go to default, and on entry we run a not here. I'm more of a scripting guy than a animation guy. Test 1, and then we have the not in UI one, or the is in UI. Wait, let's actually fix that. The not in UI state, and then we'll just literally copy this. We transition 1 and run say test 2. I think that's how you mean it. Test 2? Oh, but it's always test 2. Where's test 2? Test 2 is this if I'm not in the UI. Great. But if I am in the UI, it's still test 2. How fast does it spam my chat? Okay, I would definitely notice it if it would be. Returns 1.0. But why is it like that? I think this query is just not working as intended. Let me look up the query sheet. Maybe this query is like only for a specific format version, or yeah, it's deprecated or doesn't exist anymore. I don't know. You guys can look at it if you want. More line queries is in what? What do you mean? What do you mean there is no query that is in UI? Is it undocumented? It's because you're using default. So, like, that's just the default state name, right? So it will, like, it will go, like, the very first thing that it will do is go into the default state, which is this state. If it's 1, like if the is in UI is equal to 1, it will transition to this one. And will transition back to default. If it's not in UI, it will transition here. That's the reason why that wouldn't work. It's a default state. I don't know, let's try to change the format version, no? Maybe this query isn't available in this format version. Which would be weird, but... And this already should say test 1, right? Because I am in the UI. Theoretically. I wish I could see which values those are. But both of those will never run, right? Just so I know. Like, I know those are the same right now, but... I was going to run the last default. Yeah, if you're not in UI, it's supposed to run, but... It's always going to transition to... the in UI, no? Or do you want me to flip them? That this one is the... Not... This one is the... I don't know, we can just do this. I don't see a reason why that should be the case, but like... Even if both of them are true... It just doesn't run any of them. And now test 1, because I am in... This... And we can even test if it's... that value. My god, why is it so frustrating? I think it's just this query that is not not quite working. I don't know, I tried everything. I tried even making them both is in UI. I tried comparing the values. I'm just never in UI. But let's search in the Bedrock add-ons Discord. Maybe someone else had that problem. Is in UI. UI. Perfect. Perfect. Like we can like we can goof around a bit even. We can even make it 1. This is in UI, right? Transition to not in UI. Let's make it like that. I don't know why that would make a difference. think I'm now completely breaking it. Yeah, thought so. It just doesn't detect if I'm in UI. That's the sad reality. This query does dog shit. Now this will now do say test one for one tick and then never again. I'm in UI, but will not transition. Alright, I give up. If you guys have any solutions for this, I don't know, you still can post it in Discord, but I mean, it's not that important that I need to check for the UI. And just, I don't know, man. I don't know. Handlers. Oh yeah, wait, I can just... Oh yeah. For let I equal 0, I smaller than inf dot size, I plus plus const item equal to inf dot get item I, and then we can if const ref, how was it called? Weapons. Weapons dot weapon list dot get item dot type ID if not item continue ref. Alright, now we have this one. Now we have one weapon object. So this would be a weapon export. Item dot name tag is equal to ref dot name item dot set lore is equal to this ref dot lore, then oh hi.
What's up?
Wait, I need to make you louder again because I had to make you
W.
Yeah, me too.
Oh, what the heck? Someone has a check mark? Who this?
I know you tried to help me with animation controls, but I don't know. It just didn't work.
Checkmark guy. Oh, what the heck? You have 100? That's crazy. Inksaws a popular person after them. That's crazy.
Ooh, crazy. Yeah.
You just going with the manual loop through inventory?
What?
Going with the manual loop through inventory?
Yeah. I mean, you said that it worked for you, right? Like, you said that you used it as an inventory query, right?
Yeah. No, the has container. I did that for my chest.
Oh, I see. Oh. Okay. Wait, what?
Like every second.
Sure, why not? Doesn't really matter. Exactly, lore and the rarity. Oh yeah, Pablo's rarity glyphs. Ah shit. Wait, how do I make this go away? Oh, there we go. Const this is equal to Skyl Symbols. Rarities. And then, oh no, we have common, epic, legendary, uncommon. I should capitalize all of those because those are capitalized as well. I have to make a list anyways, no?
I already made it.
Like, how would I add them else, you know? Or like, I still need a map to like check with which. Under mythic. And then const symbol const symbols map is equal to an object, and then you have common, and that would be the common symbol, and then like that.
Why not just keep freaking rarities as this is?
And just rarities, and then...
Cannot. Oh, right.
Oh, do I already have a thing called rarities?
Nope.
Oh, so you want me to get rarities and then the... Oh. Well, yeah, that...
See now?
Yeah. A rarity... No. I'm stupid. Rarities... ref.rarity... Rarity, and then again ref.rarity. We still need to wait, where did we put the color codes?
Oh.
Where did you
That's
put
what I
the
just
color codes?
deleted.
Oh! But we still need the color codes.
We're going Control Z.
What the, ah, there.
Ha. Colors.
Alright. We can work with that.
Rarity codes.
Rarities. Rarities plus ref rarity. And here would be, I don't know, the color. Can actually make this the whole thing, or const color. Color equal to rarity colors. Rarity colors.
What do we do if the name tag had the color?
What?
Like the color plus the name?
Yeah. Just like that, boy.
W British spelling, by the way.
Yeah, I don't know.
Oh, yeah,
it's
you are European. You're in
Yeah.
you're
Germany.
Yeah, German.
Yeah.
I'm an idiot. My bad.
No, just how they taught us in school, you know. I mean, we were taught that there are multiple ways of writing it, but I don't know.
Yeah. We were only taught one, and that's without the U.
I mean, there's less letters. So rar, freedom.
Our freedom.
Character property rarity of undefined. Cool. 65. 65 rarity. Something's wrong with the reference. Item dot type ID, what? What is
You're
it?
goofy.
Slash clear. Slash reload.
When we have to use get slot?
You wanna use get slot? I don't know how to use get slot.
It's basically the same as get on stack, but better. You know what I mean?
Oh, okay. Oh wait, I forgot to. Yeah, okay. Wait, with get slot. With get slot, I don't have to replace the item or what? Or what does get slot do?
Oh, and if not, item dot is valid.
That's a thing. And hello, Dima. Welcome to stream.
Is valid means Exist or is loaded, meaning like air or whatnot.
But sometimes air returns undefined.
Well, actually, is there like... Oh. Yeah. Oh.
Bro, stop dying.
No? Yeah, there we go.
Container slot, get
Let me
slot.
load up my Minecraft TV real quick.
Yeah. Does get slot just work like that? Oh, yep, it does. But I think I got something wrong. Oh, yes, I did. I got the icons wrong for the rarities, and I got a lot of it wrong, actually. Holy shit. Okay. So those ones need to be increased by 1 because they're on the next line. Alright, first of all this. Then inside the handler we have to reset the colors before we add lore.
W?
And then when we reload. Wait, does it only set the lore once? How does it work? No, it doesn't set it at all! What the hell did we do? Why doesn't it...
Airs?
Why is it saying test 1? Didn't I just delete the animation controller? No, please.
Remember /reload doesn't work with that kind of stuff, you told me.
I thought I just rejoined. I'm seeing
Just
things,
rejoined?
bro. I'm seeing things. Yeah, why doesn't the lore and name apply? Get slot.
It has to do with this invalid thing.
I don't see a reason why.
What exactly is there?
It's because it's a container slot. Oh, but the container slot still has a is valid property.
I mean, if not, I'm not type ID because
Yeah, it's empty string, I know. Oh, that wasn't it. That wasn't the
what if
issue.
I just got rid of this?
Go. Oh, it just... No. What's now the issue?
So is it even being right now?
I've been subscribed to you for a long time and I'm learning how to create my own scripts, but recently had a problem with scripts that I wrote myself or downloaded for someone do not work. Although include all the experimentals I'm playing on version 1.19.18, can this be some? I'm sorry if there's any mistaken text. I'm speaking Russian. Right thought translator in the clipboard. Yeah, I noticed. But in the new versions, you have to update the manifest. You know manifest.json, right? There. This has to be for 1.19.80. This has to be this. Okay? Has to be this. Nothing else. So, alright, well.
It'd be 1.2 yeah.
Yeah,
And
I did.
1.0.0 for server UI.
Yeah, I don't think it is. Alright, it doesn't work, right? Okay. Now let's see why it doesn't work. Console 1i. You did console 1i, and I reload. Huh? It doesn't even run I. Oh yeah, you can deconstruct things from inventory. And size is any, because... Yeah, the size is a container. It's from the container.
It's also on the component itself. What are you talking about?
No, it's not.
It is.
Okay, can literally that size, it's not here.
It is there.
It literally says any. Oh,
Oh,
inventory
inventory size,
size. Yeah, okay.
W. It's a common.
Oh,
font like
yep,
W.
now it works. It's still bold for some reason, but yeah, I can fix that. Right there. Okay, we can remove the console or what?
Right click to leap. W.
Ooh, it works. It works! Although I would have...
W leaping sword.
Yeah. Although I would love to have it bold. Was that some bold? That's some bold text. Wait, did the icon also get bold?
Version for the resource pack next time you leave and rejoin. I can't see no glyphs.
Oh yeah.
I'm not going in the cache. That's boring.
Well then, you go ahead and change the version. That's simple.
Mm.
Epic. It works though. I mean, it's kinda off-centered because Minecraft and glyphs are not very good. But other than that, it's really cool. Leaping sword. Oh yeah, we have the leaping sword texture. Thanks to Pablo.
W power.
The rare color could be adjusted a bit. But yeah.
Change it to B. Change the color
yeah.
to the B color.
Yeah. That's all. Yeah. That looks way better. Right click to leap. That's good. Now let's use Pablo's textures. SKYLANDIA suggestions, leaping sword. Copy. Reveal and file explorer. Can I just paste it?
Under
Whoa.
components, you should definitely add like a use cooldown.
I will make a use cooldown hook.
Along with the cost.
Yeah, I will make a hook for it.
Just make it a part of the components.
You wanna make it
This
a component?
cooldown is nice.
You wanna make
Yeah,
a cooldown
cooldown.
component? But what if you have a weapon with multiple cooldowns? If you
Mana
if you
is what
figure
I'm mostly
something
thinking of
out,
here.
if you
Mana, like a mana thing.
yeah, I know, but like, yeah. Leaping sword.
It's like mana cost, I guess. Actually, ooh, that's a good one. Just, instead of like cooldown, make it mana cost. Oh, but no, yeah, some mana
Still
costs
need
could
it.
be dynamic. I don't know. Yeah, maybe make a hook.
But your sword got a new texture, and I'm going to apply it. Item texture. Skyle. Lee
Yo, W riff maker.
sword.
How come my leaping sword does 8 damage, but it also does no hit things?
No what?
The damage on my leaping sword.
Yeah.
But it does nothing whenever I hit something.
What? Oh. Oh yeah, you have to, for the on-hit component, you have to return the damage inside the on-hit component.
Ah. That's goofy.
I mean, yes, but like, imagine if you have like some damage modifiers, you know? And I want you to be able to, just return the damage object.
Well, then just check if there's on hit. Otherwise, like, freaking the normal damage.
If you don't have an on-hit effect, then I don't know, then you don't have an on-hit effect. What if you want to make a weapon that doesn't attack, you know?
Then you just don't have the damage component on it at all.
But it works now, at least. The damage component is like for... yeah.
You kill the sheep now.
Yeah, problem.
That's the W.
Alright. Iron Golem. I love that they have spawn eggs now.
Everything got spawning.
Why does it only deal 7 damage, but the Riftmaker deals 8? Don't they deal the eggs? Oh no, your thing does 8 damage. Okay, makes sense. Yes, I understand. Thank you very much. I'm going to the custom guides for my PP map for Gridsim. Thanks again. Good luck. Thank you.
It's item.spawnegg.entity.skyle.indicator.name.
What about it?
W.
Yeah, I'm using I'm using a Alright, I have to relog because of the texture, and also I'm gonna update the resource pack for you. What?
I already updated the manifest.
Ah, good.
What would I do, good? No, I know. We got Minecraft development.
Minecraft development.
I also just made a whole tub of ice cream to throw this away.
Oh yep, the leaping sword has texture now. Looks so good.
W, sure. Absolute W.
And now it needs other particles, effects, and the cooldown. I love that you can fly with it.
I'm back.
Hi.
Leaping sword.json.
You wanna add the cooldown component to it, or?
You said what?
A cooldown component, so yeah, I know.
Make a mana cost component, honestly. Oh my. Oh my goodness, my coughing goes crazy. It's actually just a feather on a stick, that's crazy.
Yeah.
Look, can I see glyphs now? W.
They're a little bit off-centered for some reason, but
Rift Maker. How would this Rift make? Like, are you gonna add an ability to Rift Maker?
it already has an ability. If you hit an enemy, it will like
do like shoot damage.
yeah, exactly. As long as you're hitting it.
Iron Golem spawn egg. So how do bows work yet?
Bows don't work at all yet.
W.
I started this project 2 days ago.
Absolute W.
I mean,
So
they
for
should
weapon component.
they should still deal damage, no? Like, they should still be able to damage the entity. Yeah.
So the component should be different for a bow for a range type and a normal weapon type.
I guess. I guess
So the
that's
type.
a ranged
So what I'm gonna
weapon
do
type.
is under weapons components. I'm gonna get the type. which extends weapon type. Type.
Dude, what?
Type extends weapon. If so, that. Otherwise. Sorry. This one has to be a type itself.
Oh, what
and then
the
that one
hell? Some
equal,
TypeScript magic.
Otherwise. So now we're gonna keep damage. Damage drops, but now we're gonna do on shoot.
That's actually good.
Um,
What are you doing? What are you making? I'm making a sort of Hypixel Skyblock-like clone project, whatever. Like, I don't know, a RPG, island-based RPG, if you can say so. Yeah. In Minecraft, Bedrock. Right. So, a weapon, when will you finish? Oh, because I definitely know when I will finish this project. Come on, this project
Right.
is so huge, it will probably never be finished completely. But I will make I will make playable betas of this project very soon. Because it's looking very, very good. Okay, Blaze, I have a question, okay? Should we make... You said you need spells, right? So, should we make like a spell component that has an array of callback functions? Or... what should it be?
What'd you say?
Like, for the spell system, right? Do we want to make
Understand
like a
spells?
component that has an array of spells with callbacks? Or do we want to make it...
Spells?
Yeah, like, for example, your leap, right? It's supposed to have a cooldown, it's supposed to have mana cost, right? All that shit. So,
You can
imagine...
swap between different...
Imagine we have like a spell component. I know. Spells,
No.
right?
Okay.
And then we have an array. We have like a... And we have like a spell entry, spell name, test, spell cost, 20, cooldown, 10.
Hey,
or
wait a
something.
minute. Let me change something about the sleeping sword here,
Alright.
just to make it better. Let me like actually import, vector. My Microsoft service.
I see what you want to do.
I'm gonna do vector dot add this with the player's dot current velocity. Oh, now you can really fly.
Oh no.
But I'm also lagging really bad. Probably shouldn't click that fast, so I need cooldown.
Oh yeah, you can.
So now it feels like I'm actually leaping, because it now adds on to your already existing velocity.
Oh my god. But why would you need that? You're gonna be able to use the ability like one time only, right? So.
One time only?
Or like not one time only, like once every 10 seconds or something.
10 seconds? Nah, make it 5.
Sure.
But think of it this way, like, let's say you're falling down, and you just gotta quick leap, you know what I mean? That's why adding on to, so that it doesn't feel incredibly unnatural.
I see.
Unless you're already going fast, you just use leaping sword, you go faster.
Yeah. if you have a lot of velocity and then use the leaping sword, it's... No, but if you're falling down and look up, you will just... I don't know, it feels...
Feels more natural.
Does.
It feels like you're actually like, what the fuck? More natural.
Alright. Now for your spell component thing. What? Is clapping.
Double clapping. But I want some more emotes. But I'm poor. I have 0 Robux.
Oh no. Name, cost. Cool down.
I wonder what would happen if Minecraft became a Steam game.
Why?
Imagine how fast that would get pirated.
Minecraft is already pirated enough, bro.
Still, Java Edition and Bedrock Edition, they're both so easy to pirate. It's crazy. For Bedrock, actually,
That's a bit harder.
yeah, Bedrock Edition with the free trial, you can like get full access from the free trial. It's kind of crazy. For Java Edition,
You can
what you can do is you can like get free accounts using Goofy.
There's a better way.
computer.
There's a better way.
Yeah.
You literally just have to run the game in a dev environment, and it would just work. Like, if you're, for example, creating a mod, right? Using like Fabric or something, you can just run Minecraft. You can just run it without any credentials or anything. You can just run it. Because, I don't know, there is no verification or something. The verification for the session itself is happening on launch, and you know, if there's no client for it, and just launches. Cast. How do you imagine a spell system? Like, how do you think a spell system will look like? Leap, I don't know, cost. Hold on, 5, callback.
I want to make a fireball sword.
Sure, make that. But can you help me out with the spells?
Yeah.
Because
Oh sure.
I wanna have it like that it feels good to use, you know. Like, do you think that this is a good approach? That you have like spells and then leap, and then you can, I don't know, this dot spells dot leap dot cast or something like that. I also thought of making it an array, but then you won't have a name for that, right? Like, I would have to do this dot spells dot, and you have to do that, you know.
I have it now. Yeah, that makes sense. But then what's the point of this first parameter here?
I guess. I mean, it still has to be passed into the, it still needs to be inside the spell, because when we apply the cast method, it should check for the name and then display it somewhere. Like, you used the spell. So we need to... so we would need to...
Stupid. Absolutely not.
Exactly, so we...
You could put that in the spell itself.
Yeah, but there has to be like some kind of text that says, hey, you use this ability, no? Use this ability for that and that mana.
W?
Is that cast? What are you cooking? I mean, you could just make this arcs, no?
What other arguments we're gonna have other than the player?
I don't know, if you maybe want to pass in custom arguments, we could just spread them and... I don't know. It doesn't show you the intelligence because of the typings.
Well, let's make it.
Sure. Weapon component. We have...
So, wait, what exactly are we doing here? I'm pretty
we
stupid.
have a key that is any, and then we have just a spell type.
Why can we make spell an interface?
We
Oh.
can, but we would have to have
Actually,
like a
here.
run method, you know? We still need something that runs the
Weapon.
spell.
No, I haven't. I know what I'm about to do. Don't worry.
Okay,
If
I'll
only
let
my
you go.
Visual Studio Code live share would fucking load fast. Are you goofy? I need to make a new file. Oh, there we go. Weapon export.js.
Let him cook. Ah, shit. I dropped something. Bro is suffering.
Bro, Tatana. And Emilio. I don't want to do this no more.
Shit. Construct inside a constructed a public keyword? What kind of wizard magic is this? Is it like a shorthand to assign properties?
Done.
Okay. That's unusual but acceptable.
Yeah,
So-
no, I'm done with this whole goofy system there. I'm gonna make it better later.
Oh wait, this is the wrong.
We can go to the range when we get to it.
Yeah. Spells. Property leap is a spell. Yep, and then cast. We don't have a cast function yet. Let's make that. Does it just work off the?
Yeah, we have a cast function. Because we set like this dot cast to the cooldown, or to the callback.
Oh. I see. When I cast it, it will just run the callback. I see. But it has to perform checks, you know, like if you have enough mana, if you have enough, or if the cooldown's up. That's why we should make it a...
Well, then let's get to it.
Yeah.
Equals...
Whoa.
Function.
Yeah, but you're really gonna make that instead of just adding another property? Yeah, okay.
Actually, yeah, that's true. That's true. But no, it's easier like this.
Does it already know it's player? No. Gotta make it player. You're gonna use dynamic imports. You're gonna min-max the performance that hard.
You kill yourself.
Man, League of Legends would be the perfect game for you.
Shut up.
Not for real!
This League of Legends min-maxes performance.
Nah, because he just told me to kill myself.
Oh yeah, League of Legends would be the perfect game for you. Keep yourself safe, bro. Keep yourself safe.
Yeah.
In game.
What the hell is block cooking? Yeah, we also need a cooldown system.
Oh, no.
Get item cooldown.
Oh yeah, that is why we would need like an actual name.
Yeah.
Wait a minute. But the next word, public name.
Right, but the cooldown is just one thing. Like, it's just one property, but there will be multiple cooldowns running at once, you know?
Oh.
So we have to...
No, wait, if this is not equal to 0. I'll buy.
Alright, then, I'll edit the item JSON, I guess.
Alright, then we need to do player dot set item, or what was it? Start item CD plus the start name. This dot cooldown. And we're done.
Wait, how did you call this? CD underscore this dot name? So,
Skill.
what would be the name for the leaping sword? Just leap? Leap.
Sure. Leap.
Okay. And then duration?
Or we could make a custom ID system, which would probably be even better. Wait a minute. Alright, we're removing the name again. Second time.
Okay.
No more name.
Wait, is the cooldown in seconds or in ticks?
Why are you adding cooldown? Remove it, Goofy.
You don't want to add it. But start item cooldown is working off that, no?
No.
No?
The cooldown is just because item cooldown, it automatically removes like ticks off of it. We're abusing that system. Or are Goofy?
Okay. I thought you for the cooldown to be displayed.
This dot ID equals ID
plus plus.
Huh? What is happening?
And that's a W in my books. I guess we could also make private ID number.
I don't think that this would work when you set this dot cast to this and then just.
Well, cast is a property here. This dot cast is different. They're two different things. Oh, and cast. My bad.
Yeah,
And
cast
we're
is
good.
okay. I don't believe this, but
this is
we're gonna try it out.
This is a W in my books.
You need 20 mana to cast the spell, but we have over 50. Okay. Current mana over.
Oh yeah, we need to remove the mana, of course. Oh my god, I'm
I
so
have
goofy.
negative clue what you two are cooking,
G2? Why
but it
G2?
sounds
Current
kind of funny.
mana minus equals the stock cost.
But it says that we
yeah.
don't have enough money, even though we have enough mana. What?
We need 20 mana. Oh, it's because of current mana. No, it's like this. It should be like this. I'm so stupid. Reload. Go.
Yep.
Go.
Yep. Okay, works.
I need 20 mana. Goofy.
The
So
cooldown
this
doesn't
stock
work,
cooldown.
but
What is this stock cooldown? No, I think cooldown works perfectly. What are you talking about? Because the cooldown's 5. That's 5 ticks.
oh,
Here, you want me to do it like cooldown times 20?
yeah, sure.
Does our fingers cooldown times 20?
Wait, I need now. I need something that regenerates mana. A system that regenerates. Oh, a formula that regenerates mana. Hold up.
We'll get to it. What do you do? You're taking a percent out of the mana. How did your max mana?
2% per 2% mana per second, and then Okay, hold up. Where's the mana? Where do we handle mana? I think
I feel
we.
like such a nerd after making that.
You are.
Kill yourself. Oh, is maybe the cooldown thing not work? Did I do this wrong?
Our mana just doesn't regenerate. It just. Yeah, we need to make a
With
mana
the
system.
cooldown.
The cooldown.
Because I already added the cooldown times 20.
Yeah, I swear the item has to have a item cooldown, like the component. That's how I remember it.
Well, yeah. You can do that, but that's not like whenever we have the cooldown on, it's not gonna show like
It
you know
is.
the actual cooldown bar.
It
That's
is.
not what this here is doing. That's
It
not what this
literally
one here
is.
doing. We're just abusing. No, listen to me. We are abusing the fact that whenever you start an item cooldown, it goes down every tick, so we don't have to make that system ourselves. Whenever we're starting that cooldown, it's not going to visually show that cooldown on the leaping sword here. That's not what it's going to do.
Okay.
That's not what this is doing, at least. If that is what you want to do, then I can completely remake this whole system if you want me to.
I don't know. It's just. Yeah. Oh.
I mean, so do you want me to do that?
No, it's fine. It just doesn't work right now, no? Or maybe it does. I don't know. We don't have
Well,
any
I have no
mana.
mana, so I can't do anything.
We don't have any mana, anyways. Hold up. So let's
Make mana work.
Yeah. Mana. Mana.js.
Mana. W.
Run interval. I don't know. Make it every. Yeah. Then get all players. Get absolute. Get all players. It cannot overflow. Player.
Is there such thing as math.clamp in JavaScript?
Why do you need to clamp?
There isn't.
Nope.
There is no
You
math.clamp.
don't need a clamp. Why would you need a clamp? Why would you need a clamp?
W clamp.
Yeah, but why?
I know equals.
You know that this is already inside the prototype, right?
It is.
Well, for the min, yes, but not for the max. Or the other way around.
Yeah,
I don't
I'm
know.
using math admin to recreate clamp.
Yeah, I know. Like, it's already checking if the mana the mana cannot overflow by default.
Oh, it is?
Yeah. You can look inside
Let
the
me see.
prototype. Wait.
Oh
There.
my god, you're
Good.
goofy.
Things would I use beta game test or just not beta? Depends on which version you're on. If you're on preview, then you use this. If you're not on preview, use this, but with beta. Both with beta.
Aha.
Round times 20. So this is like 2%.
Yep, because you said 2% earlier. Didn't
Yeah,
you?
I did.
But since we do it.
Yeah, don't.
Nah.
2% is
We're,
fine.
we're gonna do it like that, just for
Yeah, just for
like
taste.
testing
Just for
purposes.
tasting. Yeah, okay. And we have to import it. Hold up. Where's our index? Where's the index? There is it. Import dot slash mana slash reload. Yep. 5 mana per
Really?
second.
W 5 minutes per second?
It says you need 20 mana to cast a spell when the cooldown is up. Like when what's
shoot,
on
nice.
cooldown, then
Let's change that. You need to wait.
But other than that, it works.
Divided by 20 more seconds until you can cast this spell. W.
Oh yep, it works.
Oh my god, that is such a W system.
That's so
Yay.
minimal. My other spell system was way more complicated.
Well, yeah, that's because you have a W coder with you to help.
Now, but my system also worked between word reloads. That's why it was complicated.
This one also works with your world.
No, it doesn't. If you,
It does.
I tested it myself.
It's
Start
works
item
between-
cooldown and shit.
Cool
doesn't.
down. Yes, it does. It does work between. I just tested it myself as well. Boom slash reload. Hurry.
Not
boom.
reload.
Still
No,
cooldown.
not reload. Like rejoin. Like if you
On
rejoin.
rejoin.
Yeah. Make the cooldown like higher
What?
and then rejoin.
Why don't you go do that?
Okay.
No, don't do that. Don't do that. But it's not gonna be that difficult. It's only gonna be like 3 to 5 more lines of code.
That's fine. I'm just.
Well, actually, no. The whole.
Reload. Okay. Now
No, maybe
50
not,
50
actually.
second cooldown. 50-second cooldown. I say I quit. I go in again. And then it's loading. That should be like 40-second cooldown, but no, I can use it again. Now it's back to 50-second cooldown again.
Well, that's W.
How's it
Honestly.
W?
It doesn't even matter that much. You're not gonna like spawn back in right where you were, like fighting people. You know, you're gonna be spawning at spawn right at your island.
I mean, yes, that's true. I mean, it really doesn't matter, but I'm just saying it's.
You know, we just don't want to overcomplicate this right now. If it ever does become a problem, we can definitely fix that.
Okay. That's fair, I guess.
So,
I don't
think this is
fucking
a
know what.
W system.
Yeah, yeah, it's very
Only
good for
15
its
lines.
for its size. That's what she said, but
I was about to say.
I can't read that whatever there is in the chat. YouTuber online. I can't read that. I'm sorry.
You can't?
No, like I can't read the chat message. I gotta know.
The chat message.
I bet it's like some like Russian or some kind, but like I actually don't know. Anyways,
Oh, did someone? Utebia on online Podnias. Wait. Tonya.
Hey, well, what if
Not
it's
sad,
something
yeah.
racist? Don't say
Sure.
that.
If it's racist, then that's a W too. Google Translate.
See, he's a League
Detect
of Legends.
language.
Killer.
Did you get online or something? It is Russian.
Yeah.
Yeah, he got online.
Yeah, I am online.
Nah, he's not online. W spell system?
Yeah, it is.
Oh, slash reload.
I did. Just that,
Again.
that... Okay, I did.
Reload.
Yep, that works.
W?
You're
Doesn't
online,
that
guys.
chat message look so much more cleaner?
You need to wait more seconds. Yeah, it does. Did you use a... I'm really getting lost in my own code. Where the hell did you put the spells?
What?
Where's the spell?
What'd you say?
Where's the
Oh,
spell
weapon
system?
export.js.
I'm just... Yeah. Oh, yeah. I saw .js.
.js.
What? I did. What?
Yeah. Is that a W?
I want to go to this file, but it automatically redirects me to the d.ts file. That cooldown for
Well,
only
then you
that
just
item? Yes.
click the .js. Just click the .js manually, Goofy.
I wanna go over it from this file. Why doesn't it work? Man. Just
click the .js
yeah, I
manually.
know, but annoying.
Isn't this such a W system?
It is.
I like how some of the tabs are like Visual Studio Code tabs, and some of them are like space tabs.
I'm gonna close
Like
it.
I hover over this whole thing and I can see the exact differences.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. There, fixed it.
Oh, W.
Do you know outside the message whenever the spell's being used? Sure.
I'm getting multiple people who want me to get on Roblox right now, so.
Alright.
Oh, I'll see ya.
See ya. Send message. Make fireball. Sure.
Where did he go?
Yeah, Roblox. He's playing Roblox right now. Just
Oh, hell nah.
4.
Just let me know when you're done streaming, okay?
You really want me to play it so bad?
Yes, or play the video.
Ah!
I muted him. Goddamn.
I'm making it 10%. That should be. What the hell? It's 78% win rate.
It's so weird. Yeah, on 7 games. No, 10 games.
Not bad.
Yep.
My YouTube music. Why did it stop? Make fireball.
Fireball, dude.
Fireballs from the wizard.
You go at it, bro. I believe in you.
Yeah, but the system works quite well.
Huh. No, he's gone as well, bro. They're all leaving you.
Oh no. Anyways,
So sad. Anyways.
you can make ultra parkour with that feather. Yeah, but that's not my intention. This is supposed to be like an RPG. I don't know if you guys have played Hypixel Skyblock, but I did, and I had some very weird memories. Not positive ones. Now every time I think of them, I It doesn't matter, right? I'll forget it in the next few days, right? Thought so. Oh, he muted himself. Anyways, yeah, let's make a new sword, no? I don't know. Do a critical damage system. That's a good idea. Maybe we should do that. But for that we need a stat system first. We do not have any stats yet. What? Oh, I see. I see. I'll have to change it. Yeah. Main. Okay, so we have a damage property. With defense, we have health, mana. So what we need to do is we need to combine the player's damage with the weapon damage. So static get stats player. You can do accessory and then gives you 1 point for cooldown reduction. Yeah, exactly. But that's very far off. I mean, yes, there will be accessories that will do that, but not now, because we now have to set up the bare bones for everything to work. I know there are like some features that sound really cool, but you see, we can't really make those systems if we don't have, for example, a health system or a damage system or a stat system in general. What if, like, we can't even level our stats yet? And that's what I'm doing right now. I'm making a function that will return all the player stats, because we're gonna use it. We use them. Player from my server. Then const equal to player dot sky. Why isn't it showing? Player dot scale. Oh, there we go. Create a random or a predefined loot system. For example, I defeat the enemies in my screen. What or something like that. Yeah, something like that, but like with coins. I will do. By the way, every suggestion, right, will be better if you guys send it inside my Discord server in the SKYLANDIA suggestions channel, because there I can I can always review them and add them, because I might forget them. It would be better if you guys would leave those suggestions in the channel. So defense is a stat. Oh, damage is apparently another stat. Let's make it a stat real quick. Read only damage. It's not read only. Damage is now a number, yep. Do we need something like current health, current fit? Magic defense, yeah, let's make magic defense, damage. Let's return this, by the way. Oh no. Let's see if it works. If we go inside a player prototype in a weapon, and just console.warn json.stringify stats.getStats player. What will we get? When we hit an enemy, it should appear. Bye bye, Ocelot. Defense is not defined. Yeah, I think it's... yeah. But why is it any? Is that possible? No, it's not. I shouldn't be cooking. Magic defense. Honey, Jocks. Yeah. That works. Bye bye. Alright, and then we... let's make damage stat query options. Export interface. Stat query options. And then filter type filter type is equal to something, and the filter type. It's even 7TV to... why? Is it even possible? Filter type called... I don't know. Damage resistances. For example. Caps. Max values. For example, okay? How do you remove damage from SWAT damage if it one-shots player, like damage 15 hearts and you have 20 defense? But max 20, I don't really understand what you mean by that. Oh, yeah, I made my own damage system, if you mean that. Like, it works very differently. You don't just remove it. It's the other way around. The SWAT deals 0 damage, then I calculate it, and then I apply the damage to the entity. So I don't remove anything. Query. Query is an import. // global dot stat query options. We have switch query case query dot filter type. Like SWOT, real, deal zero damage, you in script, apply extra damage, yes. Exactly, 10 points. And so here would be things like strength, you know, or crit chance, crit damage, all that stuff. Then we just return damage. Case max values, we return max mana, max health. Is there anything with max? Oh, we have current mana. Damage deepens from the top. What? What the hell is this? Could we talk later tomorrow? Why? Why can't we talk now? What's the issue? Case resistances. What? Oh, I returned max health 2 times. Not good. Not good. I miss your voice. Oh no, bro. Magic defense, and return that. Magic defense and defense. Simply that way. Ah, yeah. Then I'll definitely, yeah. I'll have I have stuff to do. Yep. I have stuff to do. That's it. Hello, M. What the hell? I didn't even click on. Oh well. Anyways. Let's continue. Well, at least I know how reduce works now. Somewhat. Alright, so we have a get stats with a query. So when we have, for example, this one, right? Can do stats dot get stats. Nope, that won't work. Nvidia's idea, right idea. No, there's a channel called SKYLANDIA Suggestions. It's, see, it's here under under showcase. I don't have any ideas. Those are like for SKYLANDIA. Because this project is called SKYLANDIA. Return. Stats dot get stats for player. With query filter type is equal to damage. Oh, damage. And we stats dot add this with this dot damage. Like that. And now a weapon should do more than 8 damage. Filter type of undefined. Stats 33, 35. As an object, but it is working. Like, where's query undefined, bro? Because I want to change something, that I can't do it alone. But why does it say that filter type is undefined? Literally has. Undefined? How is it undefined? Oh, it's because of this that's erroring out and not this. Nah, J trippin'. It's not because of this. Nah. That's for the leaping sword, I guess. Oh. I just copied it! What the hell? I'm tired, man. We don't need E. Alright. Nine damage, perfect. Right, but this is post mitigation, right? It works. Like that. Wee wee. All right. How can I get this items thing away? It's not that bad, but just a little bit annoying. Also, high pot. Like that. I should do the same thing. Oh, indeed it does. Alright. Stats dot multiply. Nah, I'm gonna do it later when I have magic damage. Damage. Magic damage. Magic damage. Ah, this is so funny. Um... Right, like there. The magic damage. And let's actually make another query. And I call it total damage. Total damage. Case. Total damage. Right, we get the normal damage from the player just as usual. But instead we're also gonna get the main hand weapon. Weapon. Inventory dot container dot get item player dot selected slot open item. Oh shoot, we need to get weapon X from the handler. Oh, weapon list. Weapon list. Why can't I import from dot slash weapon list? Weapon list, weapon list dot get item dot type ID. Const def Alright, so and then we return this. Check idea Discord, okay? Idea when you do max level, set limit points and all stats, like you're getting 3 stat every level with health plus health, stamina, energy, sport, 1 damage per sport, magic. Idea, make defense like shield. You have 10 points for defense, defense 20, 50, enemy have 50 damage from sword and attack, break shield, second attack. Your shield can regenerate every second. You want a shield stat? Okay. I will think of making like a shield, because shield sounds cool. Or like a overheal or whatever. Right. So wait, I wanna test the total damage. Riftmaker. Stats dot get stats. Player inquiry filter type. Total damage. And then we stringify that. Then let's see. That should be 11. Carry property damage of undefined stats 12. That's 12? What? Maybe damage? Doesn't exist. And oh, it's undefined. It's not damage, is it? It's a component. Components.damage. And components.damage. 11 damage, that's correct. Okay. So that would be the shorthand for whatever this is. Good. But we don't need the shorthand because... yeah. It for situation when you have 39 damage and your enemy has 30 defense. If you do system, if your defense more than the damage, you don't get damage. But if there's shield, you can break it and kill the enemy. Well, you'd have to explain it a little bit more, but no, I'm planning on doing like an over shield system, but maybe not in the way you imagine. But I'm definitely planning on doing that. Right. Alright, so this system is working. Yeah. Alright, I think we did what we had to do today. I think there isn't anything that I still want to do, so yeah. I think I'm gonna go offline actually. Please guys, leave your suggestions on weapons, on systems, or really anything in the Discord server. And also make sure to check out my website with free code samples. It is linked in the description. Or if you're too lazy, go on www.skyls.de. Right? So yeah, that was it from my side. And I hope I see you guys in the very next stream. And bye bye.